Welcome to JHart Modelworks. The Hasegawa Lamborghini Miura is all wrapped up and ready for her final debut. Welcome to my workbench. Let's get started.
Alright guys and gals, here she is, all wrapped up. The color is Lamborghini Verde Aqua by Zero Paints. The wheels and trim and the stripe are Zero Paints Pale Gold. The color came out fantastic. It's 2K in Gravity Colors Spain. The taillights are Tamiya Clear Orange and Clear Red, and in between the three sections there's just a little bit of bare metal foil. You have our custom license plate. The photo etch grill slats came out really nice. You can see the gas cap underneath there. The underside for suspension. Shocks came out really nice. We have our engine bay detail. Like I said, you can see the back of the seat headrests, which is why I had those filled. So all in all, it came out really well. For interior detail, with our visors from the visor video. Very nice. The headlights are kind of interesting. You can choose how you want to display them, and I didn't glue them in. They're a little tricky to work though. So on the underside of the headlights you have these little grooves, and in the headlight base there are slots where those grooves go. So you have the option of positioning them with the lights laying down, which is where they would be if they were off, or you can set them up which is how they would be if they were on. They would look like that. So it is kind of cool that they give you the option. I tend to like them laying down a little bit more in my opinion. Wheels came out great. I really like the, I did polished aluminum, Alclad's polished aluminum on the knockoffs, and it really contrasts well against that gold paint. One more spin here real quick. And that's going to call this one done.
If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Also, feel free to leave comments, feedback, critique, or anything else in the comment section below. I enjoy interacting with all my viewers in the comment section and try to reply to all the comments I receive. If you want to catch future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and make sure you click the bell notification icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. As always, thank you for watching, keep modeling, and have a great day.